Plattinum Products. I'm going to show you how to properly install the jet ski cooler holder. Set it on the jet ski. Adjust your legs to the proper height. Just where they're level. Screw the jam nuts all the way down, and it would be nice. You can tighten it by hand, but if you do have a wrench or anything like that that is fitted, just to double check, if you tighten it by hand, they get pretty tight. All right, now it's legs are done. We're gonna run one strap on the front. You want to go over the top through your hook right here and then back around under there so it pulls down. You do not want it to pull into the jet ski because it could scratch your jet ski. You don't want to hook it to the bottom because it's not going to do anything. We'll just run this back through the ratchet. Alright, now that's tight. And then if you want, you can, once you get it there, you can cut this to look so you don't have such a long strap. Or just wrap it around and use a rubber band or something like that. Now, take your other two straps you get. You're going to be doing pretty much the same thing. You're going to wrap it around the corner. You're going to come down here and grab your hook that you use to strap it to your trailer. Run it back through the ratchet. You want to make sure the strap comes up to the side right here. You don't want it right here when you're tightening it down. Once you hit a bump, it's going to run up here and you're going to lose a lot of tension. It'll just make it loose. Tighten that snug. You can do the same thing with these if you want to cut them to length. That's it. You just properly installed the jet ski holder. Take it and shake it. It ain't going anywhere.